Ishe ndinovimba, Jesu ndinovimba, Jehova ndinovimba, Mari ndinovimba, 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 Ishe ndinovimba, Jesu ndinovimba. Makomba vangacherawo zvavo, asi ini ndinongosvetuka. Marinda vangacherawo zvavo, asi ini ndinoakwakuka.
98.4 FM Talk. The Life of Midlands. 98.4 FM. Turn it up.
Asi imi munoidambura, zvitsingi vangateyavo zvavo, asi imi munozvidambura. Tibura vangateyavo zvavo, asi imi munondiratidza. Tibura vangateyavo zvavo, asi imi Jesu munondisvinudza. Jehova wangu, Jehova ndinovimba, Mari ndinovimba, Ishe ndinovimba, Jesu ndinovimba, Jesu Kristu Jehova ndinovimba, Mari ndinovimba, Ishe ndinovimba, Jesu ndinovimba, Jehova ndinovimba, Mari ndinovimba, Ishe ndinovimba, Jesu ndinovimba. Vangasamawo zvavo, asi imi munozvipisa. Zvitoma vangasamavo zvavo, asi
98.4 FM Talk.
munozviparadza. Zvikwambo vangasamavo zvavo, asi imi munozvipisa. Zvikwambo vangasamavo.
The Life of Midlands. 98.4 FM. Turn it up.
The time is exactly 18:37, and welcome to the 98.4 FM Midlands Talk. If you're joining us, you are listening to 98.4 FM Midlands. Yo, what is the station in the Midlands? Thank you so much to Sorry Reason, who was just here with the sport update, and also to Vasim Shurugu, who came before him on the drive, and also Auntie Ginger on Dandaro Kubama mid-morning. In the morning we had Soro on the wake up call, and we also we say welcome to the first segment of the 98.4 FM Midlands Talk. That is the Spotlight. My name is Brian Miyambo, and tonight I just have a simple and one question: who is really steering up the Zimbabwean music industry forward? Is it the new school? Is it the old school? Come on 0713-060506 to have this conversation. And I'm not even alone in the studio. I've got Mr. Adamson Jegetera, who is a gospel, a magician, a gospel, a genius from Midlands. You just heard the song called And You Know Me by name by Mr. Adamson Jegetera and the Amazing Grace. Mr. Adamson, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Adamson for coming to the show, and he is also accompanied by none other than Markman. He is known for his aggressive approach to the music in the Danzo Sekos. Mukoma Markman, welcome to the show.
Yeah, greetings in the divine name of His Imperial Majesty, Most High, the first and the last, seen the good. Yeah, man. Seen, we give thanks.
All right, thank you so much. I have just said, who is really pushing the music industry forward? Is it the new school? Is it the old school? That is the discussion that we have tonight on the Spotlight. And thank you so much for coming through on 0713-060506. That is our line number. If you've got a message or if you've got a question for this guest that I have in the studio, you come through with your opinion. So this is the topic: which generation is actually influencing the next act of our music? Let me just start by asking maybe Mr. Adamson Jegetera, what do you think should the new school musicians copy from the old era? I know each and every one of us know history as a way of being rewritten in real time, and the live or the old school musicians, they've built their careers and their followings through the stagecraft, live band, and radio plays. But now, these new schools, they're actually right on TikTok, YouTube, and streaming platform. What do you think the new school musicians should copy from the old school musicians? Let's start from there.
Yeah, for sure. We are saying the old school, they are genius. They've got experience. I can just refer from what we call Tsumo Madimikira. They are still relevant today. Charovedzera Kudora Kakwira Ruere Kwashiba.
Yes.
Still relevant. Facha is a Nyauzo Singwi. Still relevant today. So what I'm saying is they should take the good part, what we can say the good part of the old school, and mix up with the new generation. Yeah, we can't say the old school should live alone and the new school should live alone. We need to collaborate and find the good things in this era, like the radios. We are working. We are moving with TVs and radios. Yeah, our phones are now TVs.
All right. Yes. You said you should collaborate. Just maybe a comment on the issue of Mataura Mkatari Gudoraka Kuramawere Kwashiba. That was the actually the backbone of old school musicians, lyrical proverbs to make them relevant in the industry. So, what do you think should be done with new artists? Do you find it moving the industry forward? Tikatarisa kuma new school artists vanotoimba maybe tukuimba tufadza madzimai tukuita say, can you just tell us kuti is it moving the music industry forward?
Yeah, to them, yes, they say it's our generation, but I can say it's short-lived because things that are relevant and that can influence the society, that are the things that will stay for a long time or forever. So they should understand that we can sing for money, but it's temporary. We can do for what we can say it's entertaining at the moment, but at the end of the day it becomes a problem because it will be short-lived. That's why their music sometimes it expires after just a day or after a week because they want to say we want to move with time.
All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Jeketera, for that critical point. 0713060506. That is the number. Just come through on our WhatsApp platform and our messages platform. I have seen some messages here. Answer. Amazing Musipa Woodlands phase 1. She's actually tuning in. Thank you so much for coming through on the show and coming to you, Mama Markman. I just want to hear your thoughts on issue new school and this old school.
Yeah.
Matara, before just wait. I know you're bailing, but just wait for a minute. Imimi ndakakutarisa you are semi old school and new school.
Yeah, man.
According to my age and
long time serving general.
Yes.
I'm actually for old school.
You're actually for old school.
Not for new school.
All right.
Yeah,
Thank you so much. So if you represent the old school, let's just see do you think these streaming platforms right now are actually paying the bills for my new school artists?
Yeah, man.
As compared to this
this new school thing has spoiled our life,
Okay.
Yeah, they spoiled our life, spoiling actually our kids. I'm telling you, because they are singing negativity. We don't promote negativity, we promote positivity. When I started music in 2004, we were doing positivity.
The same era with Winky D?
Yeah, man. Same era with Winky D. I actually started in 2002 when I was at high school.
Okay.
But in 2004, that's when I started recording my first song. So in 2004, we were promoting. You see me? We were promoting positivity. I love Jah. I was created by Jah. I follow Jah's ways. So I hear the news today. Them sing about negativity. Fadza madzimai. Fadza madzimai anofadzwa. But zvari kuzonoimba mberi cyclone blah 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 blah. I can't listen that. Ndine mwana wangu mudeni.
Okay.
Yeah, that's negativity. and that should be bond for real.
Okay, so before you go any further, but vari kuratidza kuti even the generation that is listening to their music is actually interested in what they are singing. And do you think it is really paying their bills, same new school artists?
No, life is not about paying bills. Life is not about living, those youths. Let me tell you the truth. Vanda kurarama ka life ke leisure ke ku pure mari vachifadzwa vachitwa sei ende kune vanhu vanozvitolerata, but you can't do evil to get rich. Zvakangofanana nokuti iwe ungadai here kunoromba kuti uite mari.
No, but let's say we just gave an example ye father madzimai. Father madzimai, is it evil to say ngatifadze madzimai? Is it evil?
No, it's not evil, but the lyrical content is bad.
It's evil in
Cyclone Tundai. Why? What's that mean?
Thank you so much.
That's negativity. That's negativity. Okay. You see me?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's talk about real life issues. Zvirikubata vanhu mudzimba.
Okay.
Because a musician is a messenger at the same time. It's a messenger.
Yes.
One sent by Jah to send a message.
All right, thank you so much. If you're just joining us, you're listening to 98.4 FM Midlands Talk. That is the spotlight on your favorite station. Anzina Mkuma Makman, let's spread good message, great message. You are a messenger as a musician. You are a messenger who is carrying the message to the people. So let's not spread negativity. Those are the words of Mr. Makman right here in the studio. He's also with Mr. Adamson Jeketera, who is also a gospel artist from Midlands. We are discussing about who is really driving the music industry forward. Is it the old generation, or is this new generation coming in, emerging in the industry? So 0713060506, 0713060506, that is the number. If you've got a question, a contribution, just come through on our WhatsApp platform and our messages platform. Hanzi nemutereri, yes, vakawanda vechidiki tinodzifarira music idzi, but the lyrical skills that the old madalas had anga akapengana nhasi achiri kurarama. Tarisai vana mugove. Thank you so much. Your number ends with 027. Another message anza Makman anotodawo futi zvehondo, and is maybe it's a topic for another day. We have discussed this before. Namukoma Makman and pandatanga chirongo ndikati Mukoma Makman is very aggressive when it comes to his music.
No. I'll just say one thing. Hondo ihondo. Hondo inopezwa nehondo. Inindika atakwa ihondo. But there is never a one day randikaimba obscene language. No. My lyrics are clean. But kana iri hondo topezerana nehondo. Indini mambo we hondo. Let them know it.
Okay.
Ndiri mambo we hondo. Makman ndi mambo we hondo. Hakuna anonimisa ku hondo. Ndoraya vese.
All right, thank you so much for that one. Answer 0713060506. That is the number. Come through on our WhatsApp platform and messages platform. To you, Mr. Jeketera, how should maybe the unions, Vakatasana Zimura, and the organizations, other organizations that are actually regulating the drops and the releases of the music in the royalties and music, how should they change? Kuti mu protect your mimi, because mimi you actually build your following and your careers based on live band, radio plays. But now tani TikTok munakangobudisa clip rake takutonofollowa munhu yeye takutoita say, and how should they regulate the music drops? My organizations akatasewa.
Yeah, I think they should continue to lobby. Vanofana kuita advocacy. Tiri kuti zvinhu zvese zvinofana kungobalanza. Chinoita kuti vanhu vazofarira kuenda kuna TikTok nekuFacebook. There is a problem, especially kuma mainstream radios. Zvinoita kuti vanhu vanoita driven away. Saka izvozvo ma-issues iwaya anofana kuadresiwa acho. Like for example, tiri kuti an established artist ne-a beginner, tikatasa kuradio, they are not given yatingati fair airplay. So iko tichanga kuradio tiri kutarisira kuti ma-organizations anofana kunge advocate for yatingati your rotational system. Yokuti munhu wese, like those days before, zvachitaura vana Mutukudzi, vana Chimbetu, vana Zhakata, they were given fair airplay. because kwanga kune rotational system, so they should advocate for a rotational system first,
Okay.
kuitira kuti zvibalance, kuitira kuti vanhu vasamhanyirawo kutiktok of course inenge ine audience yayo, but at the same time kumaradio kwakanakawo futi, people should be played kuradio tese mudika ari kutanga nhasi, as long as yango music yake kanzi yagadzisika yanaka, ngaiuyewo iplayiwe. Then kuma-live bands zvakare they should also advocate. Tombotora for example kuri kuya agricultural show inonzi Midlands Agricultural Show, but unoona kuti vari kuharare futi they come here vozoperforma. Vana Markman vamuri kuona ava havasi kupiwa chance, asi vari muno mugweru zvonzi havagoni. Vanoreta kuti havagoni ndiani iye asina kumuona Markman achiperforma. Saka tiri kuti that fairness, the fairness part ndio inofanira kunge maorganization akaita sina Zimura nana National Arts Council, they should advocate kuti system iite zvakanaka, kuitira kuti kana toenda kutiktok tiri kuindisa zvinhu zvataplaya pashow yedu ye-Midlands Agricultural Show takusvisa kutiktok. Then even mapromoters, they are no longer doing fairness as well. Mapromoters
In what way?
izvozvo the same thing kuti they call munhu ari kure, even ma-events anoitwa muno tomboti kumukoba ndeyekuchechi yakaitwa manje yanzi Midlands Festival, you would see kuti vanhu still vanobva kuHarare vachiuya vachizoperforma. Tomutora for example vari mukoba 5 vacho, you can call vanhu vari kukwekwe at the expense yevanhu vanenge vari imomo. So the promoters again vaakutoti ini tiri kuda zvinhu zvondipa mari, but they are not promoting the local talent.
All right, thank you so much, Jansen and Mr. Jeketera. We need fairness from promoters and other unions and organizations like Zimura. Mkuma Markman is actually
Yes, I want
something
to.
say on this one.
I want to contribute. You know,
Yes.
Mkoma, Munona. This is directed to Mkoma wangu. Mkoma, vanhu vese munoona vachita zvonzveya vachida ma-artists havasi kuda kukusumudzirai, but they want to benefit. But what we are saying here is we want to make Gweru rise. We as artists.
Yes.
Because we know we are capable of doing these things. In India, I've done my shows internationally. Botswana, I've been there. Mozambique, I've been there. South Africa, I've been there. You see me? My colleague, Scatter, has been to UK. You see? But Van Vemunong, they don't appreciate local artists. You see? They don't want to build. You build champions. You don't kill champions. You build them. Yeah, I might be a champion, but there's like one or two things. Especially financial stability. Right? Especially, dilemma problems I'm going to now. Do it and drega. But if the promoters can see, if we can make this a champion, he will be a champion. You know, they will benefit more than I will benefit.
Are you cooperating as artists as well? Are you cooperating because we've got a new generation, which we are actually talking about right now? Vanoto demand a lot of things before they even have a chance to go on those stages. I cannot perform because of that, but because Vaninge attitude towards my promoters.
Yeah, but no, let me tell you.
Before
I will represent the artist. I will never represent the promoters because I've seen their kind of the attitude. You see, the artists vafana vari kugrowa maswana, and vano expect kuti kana vabva kumba. Right now it's dollar kubva kumkoba kuya ku town, and iye anenge ane dollar. Ouya oti ndiri kuimba kushow ya Mkoma, anditi ari ku expect kuti achapiwa $10. Dollar rake rodzokera muhomwe otengawo chingwa chokuenda kumba. But these promoters, they don't do that. These promoters, they will tell you, come and showcase, we are giving you nothing, and you go empty-handed. Saka ndikuda kuti utaure kuti aggressiveness inenge nevafana achibva ipapo asina achinorara mutaundi anenge akamira sei. It's not about Markman. I've got sponsors.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. Let's put this one aside. Maybe it's a topic for another day, right?
For sure.
And most of artists that I've mentioned before, kuti vanenge vachi demand a lot of things. I am not known I'm given an opportunity kuti maybe a certain promoter anogona kuzondiona. Now that's business, but that's a topic for another day. Mkoma Markman, let's another question kwa muri mimi. Nachida kuvunza kuti ndeiupi umwe mutemo kana kuti any rule that young artists are actually breaking. That what is you mimi as a fellow artist who has been in the industry for long,
you
and
know,
what other rule that you are actually excited about? And before you actually answer my question, let me read some of the messages you are very well. This one ematereri panapa after Mr. Jeketera pa comedy advocates. And the music yaiko zvinoinzwisika inotoda wakabatwa nezvinodhaka kuti uinzwisise. Saka Zim Danso Pachayo is promoting kubatwa kwezvinodhaka. We are busy saying no to drugs, but this music is saying Pamberinema drugs, it should be banned. Your number ends with 338. Thank you so much for the contribution. Another message, Anzi. Madara ndo anosimbisa music industry. Vafana vakawanda ibubblegum music. Alec, thank you so much for the contribution. Alec and the new school. You're actually not doing at the most, but answering to my question, Koma Markman, what would you say? Kuti the zipi zuri kukufadza izuri kuti vani mama new school, and in the zipi
No, remember I said I'm not new school.
Yes, that's why
I'm old school. I'm a long time serving general in the music industry. Chirikuti, you know, chirikukwadza music industry. Andizi mfunzo wako atishi bring it again.
That the upi mutemo kana kuti zviri kuitwa nema artists ari kupinda mu industry right now.
Say no to drugs.
Chamurgu.
Say no to drugs.
But the same
my youths aya vana hulungende vana maloti vari kubata madrugs votaura zvinyadzi and they are teaching nothing. You have there is never a one day you heard Markman on social media saying obscene language. I don't do that because I know from where I came from. Tiri vanhu vakarerwa, tiri vanhu vakarairwa, tiri vanhu vekutogona kutonyadzisa because pa social media pane hama dzako mind you. Yeah, mind you pa WhatsApp chat pane hama dzako. Even putting a status yekutaura fuckery, we don't do that. We don't do that. We stay positive to please our relatives, to please our parents, because that's where the blessings come from.
All right.
I'm a dancehall musician, and I'm a long-time serving general, and my lyrics were clean from day one up to now.
All right. Other than from Zurukuzwa vari kuita zvema drugs and stuff, ndezvipiwo zvimwe zviri kukufadza iwo zvamunogona kuti inini as an old school musician ndino inspire nema new school artists?
No, it's upliftment from the government. They are being uplifted.
All right.
Yeah, they are being uplifted for real. But iwo chinotifadza pama new school hapana except upliftment.
Okay.
Yekuti vapiwa ma 30,000.
Okay.
But there is no any other upliftment. Can you tell me munu one akaimanziyo nemsoro? Maybe I can relate to Master H. Zviri mumoyo nechichichi. Yeah, that guy can sing clean lyrics. So there are only a few.
So Anzi na Markman, my new school artists, they are not doing anything for the industry and they are not actually moving the industry forward. I don't know about that. Just come through on 0713060506. Ududzo mafungiro ako. Kana one question in the contribution kunezwa taro na Mkoma Markman. This is the chance. He is here in the studio and Mr. Jeketera is also in the studio. So coming to you, Mr. Jeketera, can live band gigs serve as a primary income for my musicians?
Oh yes, it can save as a primary income.
Or they should adapt kunema new channels akuitika AI kuto adapt to kuti we have TikTok, we have Spotify, we have 2BD and stuff.
No, those things should complement each other.
Okay.
They should complement each other. If you get the chance to do my live shows, it's good. It can also help you to boost your accounts ku YouTube and TikTok. Yeah, when you are also visible again ku ikoko, that will help you to one of my live shows. They should complement each other. They should not compete. Zvakanaka zvese kuti zviitiwe.
Zvese zvakanaka. And my live gigs, they are still paying the rent and they are actually making the musicians survive as well. But they should be complemented with these ones. But these new artists and new generation musicians, they are actually riding with this one. For the first time right here in Zimbabwe, we have heard ma concerts, ma tickets are shooting us on WhatsApp and stuff. It has never happened anyway. Do you think is risk worth it, Mukoma Makman?
That's marketing.
That's marketing, right?
Marketing, you know, YouTube is not meant for amateur case.
It's meant for
everyone.
okay.
Right. These elders can get money through YouTube.
Yes.
After singing Zonzi Nemsoro.
After singing.
Inini ndikaimba Zonzi Nemsoro. Andi. Inini I you know how I'm surviving. I don't work. I don't go to work.
All right.
I survive through music.
Right.
But I've never seen negativity. Andina pandikaimba negative. Vanoti madis it's a game. Yekudance. Right. Ndodisa endotuka endotoziva kuti hapana nomira nini. Right. But ndinoimbawo futi my lyrics are so important. I also sing reggae gospel. Ndotoziva. Why? Because ndoziva kuti ma incentives andowana ku YouTube ndo anoita kuti ndibhadhare rent. I'm a father. You know, I'm a father figure. I'm a family man.
Right.
Yeah. Ndobhadhara rent. Ndoda ma bills. Ndodya. You see? Music is business at the same time.
Yeah.
It's not just entertainment. I lived in Harare for 10 years.
Right.
You see me? I think I hit the breakthrough kudarika munhu wese womunomgweru ndindakatanga Markman nema chapter 10. That was in 2010.
All right, thank you so much, Mkomo Markman. I think we need another 30 minutes from Mkomo Markman to tell us about his journey. He has been here for quite some time, and vari kutiudza zvinhu zvinodakadza anzi YouTube kana ukaimba zvine musoro, emphasis all kana ukaimba zvine musoro, YouTube and other streaming platforms can actually pay, and it's also been complimented nema live gigs that ashimbotaura nezvawo kuti kudhara kana zikatonzi Adamson Jeketera haana gig hapana mari. You see, so let me read some of the comments from our listeners. Let's give the new school kids a chance. We all know at some point in time, early 2000s, Zim Danso at Urban Grooves were new school. Let's encourage the new kids on the block to work towards better lyrics. Thank you so much, Baba Mokuku Mambo. And let's encourage this new school. I think kana wakaterera uri a new generation artist. This is your chance, and you're actually benefiting from the other listeners who actually contributed and the gentlemen that I have here in the studio. So coming to you as we conclude our show, Mr. Jeketera. What does success in music look like kwa Muri? Is it my packed shows, Mugweru Theatre, ku HICC, or is streams?
I can say success is more about influence. Yeah, but like what I said, race is no fun kuti zviitike, but success is all about influence and impact that you make to the society. More influence, more. I mean, if you change, like what he said, positivity. When you sing things, it's no change for the better or reformation or transformation. Iyo ndo ine chizonzi relevance kana kuti ndo zvinozoita kuti success. People will always remember you. Like for example, old school men akashaika zvake tomboti James Mombe, you can still sing even vanhasi ma2K vakutotora ndikutonzwa vamaita ma reproductions enziyo dzana chibetu dzana chibadura. You see, so success is about the legacy, the name rako rawasiya, the image yawasiya. That's success. People will always remember. Only from Tukuz, no one can just forget easily. Yeah, even Markman is also making his name. To say Markman in Gweru, you know, people will know him. They will know him easily. So I can say relevance, the impact on it. Society. That's success. You can't say I'm successful because I've done of course, and in I'm going to pin up. Yeah, punishment zvavari kugona for sure. Let's take even marketing yavo yavanoita. We can't say everything zvavanoita hazviiti. Zvimwewo vanogona. Marketing vanogona, digital ipapa kuti Markman pamwe hagoni kuzomixa.
All right, but does marketing alone moves the industry forward? Because we want to see kuti is it still the old school? Ichiri kufamba nechimuti kuti ma new artists are riding on new as old school musicians kana kuti ndivo vato lead the ship?
kuleader the ship ma youngsters leader in the sense yokuti like what he said dzimwe nguva pane munhu anenge achida kumushandisa somehow saka panohwina nyaya yake ndepekuti anogona kuwana mari pakuita zvinhu zvaatumwa nasambodi kuti aite obva aita success.
All right, thank you so much. Coming to you, Mr. Mark Money.
Yeah.
What is relevant?
That's some question, you know.
All right.
It's game of numbers, Mkoma. Yeah. This is what you cannot say. It's game of numbers. Wanda ama 2K akuda zvinhu zvisina basa.
Alright.
Ukaimba kuti pfutseke mama 2K anobvanakirwa.
Right.
And but isusu as elders we cannot sing that.
Yeah, for sure.
Saka it's game of music. It's game of numbers.
For sure.
But it's whether you decide to go the wrong way or go the good way. Because I devoted myself to Jah. I gave myself to Jah. I gave myself to Jah. I can't be singing nudity. I can't be singing all those shit. Yeah. In Indoimba, righteousness.
Good.
Right. But righteousness ichadiwa a few people. But if I can sing those insanity, inodiwa nevanhu vakawanda because ndo zvavari kuda. It's ama 2K, it's game of numbers. Ma ama 2K atowanda kudarika isusu madhara.
All right, thank you so much, Mkoma Mark. Your last words, and where can we get the music ya Mark Money? Tukiwana pap.
Music ya Mark Money munoiwana pa YouTube, Mark Money artist. YouTube, not only YouTube, you can even get in touch with me through Facebook, Tsakani Markman Makumbe. Tsakani Markman Makumbe or Markman artist. Markman, spelling ya Markman wana vaisi. Vano iti MC man. No. It's M-A-C-K-M-A-N. That's Markman.
All right.
Mackman. All right. They can also get my music through WhatsApp platform.
Okay.
My number is 0777
0777
410
410
120.
120. Thank you so much.
Blessed.
Mr. Jeketa, your last words as we conclude the show, and where can we get the music of Adamson Jeketera?
Music ya Adamson Jeketera iri kuna anonzi digital stores, Spotify, iTunes, Amazon, then even ku WhatsApp, kana ku Facebook, kana ku Twitter, X, kana ku TikTok, Instagram, kana ku ma flash, kana pama CD, kana pama memory cards, flash memory cards. They can also call us kana vachida music yedu pa YouTube.
Vanokubata ipapi kuti vazoitora kana ndichitoida pa flash. Where can we?
0775 on WhatsApp, 0775 122 882 for WhatsApp. Then for call, voice calls 0788 92334.
All right, thank you so much. You know,
Right, Mkoma, Inzoi. Just 1 minute. Ndandawe nemfana wangu is a new school yot. Anonze Lily King. Saka ndiye anogona kumbo ndiye anonyazoziva zvema new school. Maybe amboimbo one chake che new school, just a freestyle for a few minutes.
aiwa tozomudana next interview anenge ari yega asina waperekedza. You have a chance.
No, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Thank you so much. I normally do this each and every show. Patinopedza chirongwa chedu ndinoti 4-in-1 verdict. 4-in-1 verdict. Yandinovunza 4 questions in just 1 minute. Okay. So apa muchashare muri 2.
Okay.
2. I just share. You just share.
Okay.
Before we actually close the show. Okay. So I will start with you, Mr. Jeketera. Who is the best gospel artist in Midlands?
So far nditsandaziva kuti gospel artists are best ndopi, but ndikona vese vachigona, but handisi kuti ndipana best. Tiri kungoti vanhu vese vari muMidlands vari kuimba zvakanaka. Sandaziva kuti best ndiani so far. I want to be honest kuti nditi best, but ndiri kuona ma-Midlanders gospel artists vachiimba zvakanaka.
Right. Is there unity in Midlands artists?
I'm sorry to say there's no unity, be it gospel or be it secular. They have no unity.
All right. Coming to you, Mukoma Magmani, pasina zvamuri kufila new school, who is actually leading in the Kuzim dance, new school or old school?
Macman. Macman, obviously.
Magman.
Macman is